And welcome back. Whenever you have a request from an employer to build a website or a web app, one of the first things that they will ask for is to make sure that your website is responsive. So what is responsive UI? Well, I can show you by opening up the developer tools, which we should know by now. And you'll see over here that there is a little phone icon. If we click on this, it will show you what your website will look like on, let's say, an iPhone. Let's make this a little bit bigger. So let's do 100% of the size. Perfect. You'll see that your website on an iPhone looks like this. And if we do an iPad, well, it looks like this. And if it rotates, it looks good. So responsive means that your website, no matter what, whether it's on the big screen or something like an iPad, it is responsive. That means there's no cutoffs. Everything looks good no matter what size the screen is. So if we go back to our website and close the developer tabs, I can actually play around with this, open and close, and see that it's responsive. The website looks good no matter what the size, and users can enjoy the experience and not be turned off because whether they're accessing it through their iPad at home on their couch, it still looks good. So keep that in mind. Responsive UI should be a priority when building websites. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.